As of this time, investigation are you talking about sa paglubog po ng barko, ma'am?
Opo, ito pong
Opo.
MV Kirsten.
Okay. As of now, wala pang investigation pa na nagaganap po, and usually it's the Philippine Coast Guard who conducts such investigation kasi under sa kanya yung MARLEN, Maritime Law Enforcement, and under which is yung safety ng mga vessels. So they are usually conducting the investigation for this. However, I would like to share my thoughts on it. Usually, kung malakas ang alon at saka mataas ang alon at malakas ang agos po, it is one of the factors, especially if a ship is, if there's a problem in terms of the stability. I'm not saying na may problem doon, but it is usually the case if you would look at the reports or incidents related to sinking of ships po. Stability, buoyancy, and the cargoes that are there.
Do you have any initial details? Anong oras lumubog? Saan galing po itong barkong ito?
Opo. So yung time na na-receive po yung distress signal was at around 1 a.m. So immediately nag-respond po ang Philippine Navy to include the other maritime agencies dun sa area. So pagdating doon, if you could, I think you have a video of it, maraming tao na po na nasa gitna. However, the first responder was si Allison po, yung company ng MV Tricia Kirsten. So sila po yung una nandun, and there were also a lot of fishermen, fishing boats na tumutulong rin po. So ongoing pa rin po ang paghahanap sa mga remaining missing person. Intensified po ang pag-search po dahil alam po natin malakas po ang agos ng kuryente po doon. Lalo na po this happened somewhere in Balok-Balok. So it is northeast of Balok-Balok Island. It is open doon it is in between Zamboanga and Basilan po.